Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how we can get voice chat on Roblox app mobile app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your Roblox games. So after opening the Roblox game, what you have to do, you have to go to on this more option here. Then you have to scroll a little bit. Then after that you have to click on settings option. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after that you have to click on account info. So then you will see a account info of your mobile phone Roblox app. So make sure you are verified on mobile number and email address. So this is so important guys. You have to put your mobile number here and they will send a OTP on your mobile number. Then your mobile number will be verified. So after that you have to put your email address here and they will send a OTP on your email address and your email address will be verified. So after doing these two things, there is the most important option here, your ID verification. So you have to make sure you are putting the birthday here, that you are above 13 years old, otherwise you will not get the voice chat on Roblox. So after putting your birthday here, you have to capture your ID and verify it from here. They will guide you through on this option. So make sure you have verified your national ID or your driving license, just other options like this. So after doing all those things, you have to click on save here and you have to go back. Then you have to click on privacy here. So after opening the privacy option, you have to scroll a little bit and you will find a new option called microphone and camera input. Then you have to just turn this option on. You have to click on enable. Then if you want to animated your real face, you have to click on this one and they will animate your movement on Roblox app. So this is how you can get your voice chat on Roblox mobile games. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.